Hi, I'm Ginger. I live in Las Vegas and I want to share my Vegas babies with you. This is one of my Vegas babies. Her name is Princess, and Princess is a year old. Today we're going to look at Vegas babies housekeeping. So I am doing the housekeeping. They're not very good at it. And we're going to clean the 240-gallon tanks and the 10-gallon tank inside. I'm going to share with you how I go about that. I did do a grounds check this morning for Charlie. Charlie right now is pacing around, and I'll share that with you as well. Hope you enjoy. Okay, so yes. So we are cleaning our Vegas babies, and what I like to use is a dustpan, and I don't use any soap or anything because I don't want the chemicals to be around my babies. I just wash it with water. So first I'm going to clean everything out, and then I'm going to wash it with water, and then once that looks really clean to me, then I'm going to go ahead and put the substrate and put everything back in, and they're going to be good to go. I'm not even going to use Windex or anything. I'll use Windex on the outside, but not on the inside. The 40-gallon tanks are really cool because they just open like this. They open halfway, and I really like that. And then this one is nice because it slides. So this one slides. And then this is just like the other, where I just always keep it halfway open for these guys. But part of the reason that I have these tops there's two reasons. One, I have my cats, and I just don't want my cats to accidentally get my babies. Nice, because then you have something to set your lights on. If the lights can set on it, then they're the right distance from these guys, the UV and the heat lamp, to keep them nice and warm, but the correct distance. Again, this is 10 gallons. Good for the hatchlings, but once they get bigger, they need to be in the 40-gallon, and then once they get bigger, that's when they move outside. So my babies move outside when they are 3, 4 years old. So next year, actually 2 and 3, they'll be living outside. But again, I will have the 40-gallon tanks that I can put them in case it's bad weather, too hot, too cold. Either of them can make it very difficult for these guys. But if I build the outside habitat right, it's going to work. I'll first move these guys outside, and then we'll go ahead and go from there. But I like to clean their habitats once a month, once every 2 months. It all depends on what's happening. Of course, when they're hibernating, we're not going to clean them at all. But right now, we're going to relocate them and then go to work. I'm going to dive in and go ahead and get started. The first thing I have to do is relocate them, so I have to put them outside. Hi, say hi, Littlefoot. Hi. Hi. All right, we're going to go outside. Woohoo! Okay, so before I start shoveling everything out, it will help a whole lot if I take the tops off. Okay, it's a little stinky winky, so I'm going to work on this, and I will, it'll take me about 10 minutes to shovel it all out. All right, good morning, Charlie. Back behind your honeysuckle and roses. And I think you're about ready for your bath. Everyone's gonna get a little bath this morning. The bath water is here. Everybody else is waiting for their bath over there. So I'll let you kind of wake up for a little bit first. All right, we have Donatello and Michelangelo on the logs, and then Littlefoot and Princess eating over there. Whoops! Oh no, here we go. Is there going to be another kerplunk? Maybe, maybe not. Good job. Very good. You're getting really good at that. Okay, very active right now. It's about 11 o'clock and about 85 degrees. And all right, Princess thinks she's going to take a turn at this. They love to climb. They love to crawl through things. So I'm going to have fun at creating their outdoor enclosure with little tunnels and things to climb over. So they're clearly showing me that they do truly like that out here. And so let's see if Princess, what she does if she goes all the way through this little obstacle course and down on this side. See if she does as well as Donatello did. Up and over, girlfriend. Okay. Let's see, you gotta really manage that. Yeah, it takes it's a little good exercise. Well, she's reaching. She can't reach. Your arms aren't that long, sweetie. You're gonna have to. Oh, she's tried so hard. Oh, okay. Good job. Can you straighten yourself out now? I'm doing a handstand. All right, there we go. All right, good times out here. All right, and I see Michelangelo enjoying some greens over there this morning. Littlefoot is always dependable for eating just about anything you put in front of him. All right, a beautiful morning it is. All right, water babies. Okay, water babies, how's it going? Oh, don't stand on top of Michelangelo. Oh my gosh, it is a full house. They've all four crammed in there because that's what they desired. They have the choice to go into multiple logs, but they all want it in one. There's Princess sitting on the top, and then Donatello and Michelangelo underneath her, and Littlefoot is in the back. I pick up that log and show you, but I don't want to bother them. They are so flipping adorable. All right. I hope you think so too. Hope you enjoyed the Vegas Babies housekeeping inside and outside. Please like us, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.